The Royal BC Museum has gotten a new tool, a drone. As we see next, it's designed to enhance a visit to its online learning portal. Veronica Cooper has more.
This drone is incredible for the work that we do.
Genevieve Hill is one of 3 Royal BC Museum staff members who have been trained by Transport Canada to operate the museum's newest technology.
For a long time, surveys were done on foot, so there are certain landscapes that we like to survey and we can get a lot of information from, but they would take days to survey by foot. So the drone really provides an advancement in technology. It allows us to scale great heights that are unsafe for staff. It allows us to do safe survey of areas like wetlands, particularly where you might get sucked in or the tide's coming and going. There are also little features that you might see at low tide that are covered up at high tide, so it allows us to survey areas of shallow water as well.
Purchased through the Joan and John Walton Innovators Fund, the drone has already proved invaluable.
This summer we got to go out to the Nature Conservancy of Canada's Chase Woods property. We were working with Cowichan tribes and the Nature Conservancy to do archaeology in advance of wetland restoration. Using the drone allowed us to really get up and see the landscape as a whole, and it allowed us to identify the sites that were found during survey and how they related to drainage patterns that had taken place over the last 100+ years.
And is it difficult to operate?
Not difficult. I didn't play video games as a child, so I didn't have the hand-eye coordination that some have. We had a trainer come to the museum, so he did a course for the 3 of us, so that not only can I do my own sort of research, but I can help other staff members with their research. It's a joy to use in the field, for sure.
New technology helping museum staff further understand the lands and the waters of this province.
I think the more and more we get out on the landscape, the more powerful a tool we will prove it to be.
This Week in History, brought to you by the Royal BC Museum, bringing British Columbia's stories together.